Right, since the start of winter we've had a massive problem out here on this lawn, and it's been with people driving across it. Cars, vans, big massive truck fellas, you name it, they've driven across, and you can see just from the shot you're at now how bad some of the marks are. We've got these fellas that run straight across the centre of the grass. I mean, how does that even happen? What goes through your mind to drive through the centre of a lawn? But also this strip on this side as well, where it's completely churned up the soil like clover almost. It's horrific. You can even see the evidence as both of the tyre tracks go this way down to the end of the road. But we're not here to moan today, we're here to come up with a solution, and we already have one, and it's something that we acquired last week, and that is these fellas. We went on a rock expedition to find some rocks, but although I was calling these fellas monster rocks, not everybody agreed. Loads of people said in the comments that they were too small, that they weren't going to do anything, that vans would just drive straight over them. Well, I think cars wouldn't really be able to drive over them, but I see what you mean. You can kind of rock it with your foot, and I think if you can do that, then a van's definitely going to take this rock, it's going to launch it straight into the grass over there, like the attack on Minas Tirith from Lord of the Rings, where they lash that big massive rock and it hits the floor, and I think it lands like a troll's foot and he kind of like squirms a little bit. It's going to be a little bit like that. So I'm afraid of having just like rock scrape across the grass like we had with the planter scrape on this far side. So what I think I might do is place all the rocks along this flat edge of the lawn, and what I'm kind of hoping from doing this is that even if someone does drive across the middle of the lawn like what happened yesterday, then these fellas might just give the underside of the car just a little bit of a tickle or so, let's say, and maybe that'll make them second guess as to whether they should drive across it again. But I don't think the solution is going to be enough, so I've got a few other cards up my sleeve too, and that's using these little fellas here. I think I've actually been quite kind there, because where I've placed them, you can see I've put them quite in on the lawn, so the little spikes, they're not protruding beyond the perimeter here. So really, if you're driving like a human being, then you're definitely not going to hit them. But if you're driving like a bit of a weirdo, then you might. So it's a little bit like we've got our own version of like Alcatraz or Guantanamo Bay. So that's two solutions, but I've got one more thing that I think might just seal the deal and make this lawn completely bulletproof. And that is to park the car right here at the front. Now, some people did suggest last week that I should get myself to a quarry to actually acquire some real monster rocks, not just these pretenders. So if that's something you still think that I should do, then let me know down in the comments below, and we'll do a second rock expedition to see what we can pick up there. But also let me know what you think of this solution too. Do you think it's overkill? Does it look a little bit too like Alcatraz? So yeah, it's only going to be the case now for the next month or so. Let's see if these solutions work. So thanks for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it, feel free to give it a like, and if you'd like to follow along with more kind of lawn videos or more of the saga that's been the nightmare with this lawn, then subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a like. Finally, thanks for watching.